Traditionally, homeowners would have to rely on manual tools such as rakes and brooms to clean their yards. However, with the advent of technology, cordless leaf blowers have become a popular tool for outdoor maintenance. These blowers are very easy to use and are absolutely environment friendly. They are also cost effective in the long run because they require less maintenance than traditional leaf cleaning tools. Although the market is flooded with many brands claiming to have the best leaf blower, two names stand out: Ego Power Plus and Worx. However, even experienced landscapers find it challenging to choose between them. That's why we've picked two of their best blowers to compare: the Ego 765 CFM blower and Worx Nitro LeafJet. You may be overwhelmed by the power, performance, durability, and value these two blowers offer. So now, we're going to take a closer look at both tools and see which brand makes the best blower, Ego or Worx. Since cordless blowers are fairly basic when we talk about their construction and ergonomics, the Ego leaf blower follows the trend and comes with a weather-resistant construction that is built to last. Not just that, it has an ergonomic design that ensures superb balance and user comfort for effort-free operations. On the other hand, Worx Nitro has something special in its outlook. Having a sleek design and comfy shape, the ultralight blower weighs less than 7 pounds, which means anyone can use it for long stretches without getting fatigued. Both cordless leaf blowers follow a basic construction pattern and look lightweight and stylish, so they're fun to use. What is a good blower without good power? Well, you won't be disappointed by any of these cordless blowers when it comes to power. First, the Ego is about 15% more powerful with its 765 CFM and 200 miles per hour of airspeed. And yes, it boasts turbine fan engineering and is inspired by advanced aeronautics technology. All the power comes from a high-efficiency brushless motor. This means it will perform way better than premium gas-powered models. Meanwhile, the Worx Nitro is equipped with a stable, powerful brushless motor that combines with sonic turbine fan technology. And this 620 CFM blower delivers a forceful, high-capacity air volume of 125 miles per hour. But if you need to control the speed for area-specific jobs, both of the leaf blowers will allow you to do that via their variable speed control mechanism, which makes your work process even more comfortable and precise. There is no doubt that professionals and DIY enthusiasts often get a concern about the run times when choosing a cordless leaf blower over a corded one. We know power isn't the only thing people love to have. They demand substantial runtime too. Keeping that in mind, this Ego Power Plus leaf blower features a 56-volt, 5.0 amp-hour arc lithium battery that blows leaves for a maximum of 90 minutes with a single charge, cleaning all the wide exteriors and patios without charging back and forth. In contrast, the Worx Nitro runs on two 20-volt, 4.0 amp-hour batteries and gives you substantial runtime for big area cleaning. Both of the cordless leaf blowers never disturb you with the inconsistency of power while cleaning up leaves, debris, and grass clippings from lawns, driveways, and sidewalks. Depending on the versatility you get from a tool, you change your mind. That's why both the blowers tried to impress us with some exceptional features. As the turbo button of Ego's One, it lets you reach the peak speed when you're in a rush or tackle stubborn materials. It also includes tapered and spread nozzles that make clearing debris in all conditions easier. Alternately, the Worx Nitro features 2 speeds, plus a turbo for added control over the tool. It also has dual air intakes that pull in additional air for greater air volume output. Well, after an in-depth analysis, we can say that the Ego 765 CFM blower and the Worx Nitro LeafJet are both powerhouses that excel in their own unique features. These cordless leaf blowers are head-to-head competitors, battling it out in terms of design, power, and runtime. So, which one will you choose to be the ultimate champion in your yard? The choice is yours. All right, that was all about the Ego versus Worx. Who makes the best leaf blower? Hope you found the video informative. If so, then make sure to leave a like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.